Portion control, why it matters. We all love good food. It's easy to eat too much sometimes. Big portions are everywhere and it can be confusing. Eating too much can lead to weight gain. It can also make us feel tired and sluggish. Portion control helps us eat the right amount. When we eat right, we feel better and have more energy. It's about enjoying our food while staying healthy. Your plate, your guide. Think of your plate like a pie chart cut into sections. Half your plate should be filled with vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or salad. 1/4 of your plate should be protein. Think chicken, fish, or tofu. The last quarter is for carbohydrates like rice, pasta, or potatoes. This simple visual guide helps you balance your meals. Everyday tools, healthy portions. You don't need fancy tools to measure portions. Use what you have in your kitchen. A fist is about the size of 1 cup. Use this for cooked pasta or rice. Your palm measures protein. A palm-sized piece of chicken or fish is a good serving. For snacks, use your hand. A small handful of nuts or pretzels is a good portion. Putting it all together, balanced meals made easy. Let's build a balanced meal together. Imagine a plate. Half the plate is a colorful salad. 1/4 has a grilled chicken breast about the size of your palm. The last quarter has a small baked potato. This meal has everything your body needs. It's delicious and helps you control how much you eat. Start using these simple tips today. You'll be surprised how easy it is to eat healthy.